Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying credentials and environment. Enter your Apple ID and password exactly. Small typos block sign-in. Once done, make sure your device date/time and Wi-Fi or cellular are correct because Apple checks certificates. If two-factor authentication is enabled, prepare a trusted device or phone number to receive codes. You're starting the login flow now. If you don't get a code, pause and check the trusted device settings before proceeding to the next step. Now you act to remove local conflicts and refresh connections. First, sign out of iCloud where possible and restart your device to clear cached tokens. Next, reset network settings or toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to force a fresh handshake with Apple servers, because stale DNS or proxies often block authentication. If the password or 2FA still fails, use the Apple ID password reset or account recovery flow. You'll follow guided verification to regain access. Make sure to note any error codes for the final step. Finish by signing back into your Apple ID and confirming trusted devices and phone numbers. After successful login, verify two-factor authentication settings and update recovery email or phone so future logins are smoother. If problems persist, run Apple's account recovery. Follow prompts exactly and keep any error codes or screenshots. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see persistent server or certificate errors, try a different network or VPN off, because network intermediaries commonly cause sign-in failures. Switch networks and retry the whole sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.